Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change store language on Payhip. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the products, store, analytics, marketing, customers, your chats, and your account and everything about it. In the middle of the screen, we have your store essentials, which are the add your first product, set up checkout, and customize store design. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change store language on Payhip. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, go to the top right corner and click on account. There you need to go and click on the first option, which is the settings option. And after that, you will have a couple of tabs here. You need to go and click on the first tab, which is the store tab. There underneath the store name, you have language. You just need to go click on there. Find the language that you would like. There are a lot of languages here, as you can see. If you can't find yours, you'll find a similar one probably. Then when you do that, scroll down and click on Save Settings. And your store will be updated with the new language that you put. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.